This 2021 Forest River Wildwood FSX 179 DBK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 22 feet 6 inches in length and features a carbon interior, sleeps 7, spare tire kit, LP detector, smoke detector, self-contained, water heater, stove top burner, air conditioning, microwave, TV antenna, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, Murphy bed. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Forest River Wildwood FSX 179 DBK is 3,200 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.